Hello, I'm Jules from help2type. In this tutorial you will learn the key assignments. On the top line you will find the letters Q to P. In the second line are A to L. In the third line are Shift and then Y to M and the delete key on the far right. In the bottom line is the function key, the command key, the dot, the big key in the middle is the space, then the comma, and the last wider key is Enter. With the function key combined with the spacebar, the touch keyboard appears or disappears on your smartphone. Exciting for you if you want to change the layout or switch to emojis. Command combined with the spacebar makes the background of the keyboard light up for 5 seconds. With the function and command key, you can write various symbols and special characters. You will get to know them in the next video.